Hello friends, myself Manjusri Gunjagaonkar from Sri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad. In this video, we are going to study about cardiovascular agents. So cardiovascular drugs means these are the drugs which exerts their action on heart or blood vessels to modify the cardiac output or distribution of the blood to certain portions of circulatory system. These drugs are pharmacologically categorized as cardiotonic drugs, antiarrhythmic drugs, antihypertensive agents, vasodilators, lipid lowering agents, etc. And apart from that, there are the drugs which indirectly affect the cardiovascular system like diuretics and anticoagulant. Example of cardiotonic drug are digitoxin, gitoxin, digoxin and oben. Antiarrhythmic drug example includes quinidine, procainamide, propranolol and phenytoin. Antihypertensive agent examples are methyl-dopa, guanethidine, rezarpine, pentolinium, clonidium, hydralazine, nifedipine, captopril, etc. Vasodilators examples are glyceryl trinitrate, ethyl nitrate and tolazoline. Lipid lowering agent, these are also called as antihyperlipidemic agent, example clofebrate, nicotinic acid. And the other category, that is indirectly acting cardiovascular agents, are diuretic, example furosemide, hydrochlorothiazide and anticoagulant, example warfarin and dicomarol. So next we will focus on cardiotonic drug. The drug which increases the force of muscle contraction of the heart, that is produces the positive inotropic effect on heart without increasing its oxygen consumption, are called cardiotonic drugs. These drugs on hydrolysis gives a sugar and an aglycon. The, the aglycon part is steroidal nucleus which is linked glycosidically with sugar moiety, and hence they are called cardiotonic glycosides or cardiac steroidal glycosides. The cardiac glycosides occurs naturally in plants and toad venom. They stimulate the heart muscles and hence are used to treat congestive heart failure. They are also used to treat cardiac arrhythmia including arterial fibrillation, arterial flutter and tachycardia. As they increase the blood flow to kidney, they modify the renal functions causing diuresis. Hence, they are useful in reducing the edema. And the cardiotonic activity, as we know, it lies in a glycon part of a molecule. However, the sugar part is helpful to increase the water solubility and cell permeability, to increase the potency and stability by preventing the epimerization, and to decrease the toxicity. Here in this table, we have enlisted examples of cardiac glycosides, that is name of cardiac glycoside, sugar part and aglycon part. First is digitoxin, second digoxin and third one is gitoxin. All of these are having D-digitoxose as a sugar moiety, and aglycon parts are digitoxygenin, digoxygenin and gitoxygenin respectively. Last one is stropanthin G. The sugar part is L-rhamnose and aglycon part is aubergine. So first we'll see the drug digitoxin. This digitoxin, it is obtained from a suitable species of digitalis, for example digitalis purpurea or digitalis lanata. Physical properties are white crystalline powder, odorless, practically insoluble in water and slightly soluble in alcohol. Chemical properties are when it is hydrolyzed, it gives an aglycon digitoxygenin and 3 molecules of D-digitoxose, a sugar part. Next comes the stability and storage. So, it is affected by atmospheric oxygen and light, hence it should be stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is used as a cardiotonic to increase force of myocardial contraction, to treat congestive heart failure, to treat atrial fibrillation, arterial flutter, supraventricular tachycardia, and to cause diuresis with reduction in edema and blood volume. Dosage form of digitoxin are tablets and injection, and brand name is Digimerc and Digitox. Next drugs comes here, digoxin. It is cardiotonic glycoside obtained from leaves of Digitalis lanata. Physical properties: available as colorless crystals or white crystalline powder, odorless, practically insoluble in water and slightly soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage: affected by atmospheric oxygen and light, hence stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: as a cardiotonic to increase force of myocardial contraction, then to treat congestive heart failure, to treat arterial fibrillation, arterial flutter, supraventricular tachycardia, and to cause diuresis with reduction in edema and blood volume. That means the uses are same as that of the digitoxin. Formulations of digoxin are tablets, injection, elixir, and digoxin pediatric oral suspension. Brand name includes Lanacardin and Cardiogoxin. Next comes Gitoxin. When cold water extract of Digitalis purpurea is purified and evaporated to dryness, the residue is called gelatin, which consists of gitoxin, digitoxin, and 16-formyl gitoxin. Physical properties: white or pale buff amorphous powder, slightly soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage: affected by atmospheric oxygen and light, hence it should be stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is used as cardiotonic to increase force of myocardial contraction, to treat congestive heart failure, to treat arterial fibrillation, arterial flutter and supraventricular tachycardia, and cause diuresis with reduction in edema and blood volume. Again same as that of digitoxin. Last drug from this topic is Oben or G-strophanthin. It is obtained from the seeds of Strophanthus gratus, belonging to the family Apocynaceae. Physical properties: available as colorless or white crystalline powder and odorless. Uses: as a cardiotonic to increase force of myocardial contraction, to treat congestive heart failure, treat arterial fibrillation, arterial flutter and supraventricular tachycardia, and to cause diuresis with the reduction in blood volume and edema. Formulations of Oben are injection and brand name is Strodival. So this is regarding the cardiovascular drug. We have seen the individual drug of the which belongs to cardiotonic category. So thank you very much for watching this video, and in next video or upcoming video you may find antihypertensive drug, cardio antiarrhythmic drugs, lipid lowering agent, etc. So thank you very much.